Welcome to our short series of videos introducing you to Curo on the Power Platform. My name is Mitchell Philpott, and here's Roland, who you'll also be hearing from in the videos. We are the founders of Time for Advice, and we are just two amongst a team of 70 people who go to work every day to look after the 100 or so advice firms and the 3,000 or so users of Curo, our product. As a business, we cover everything our clients need to take advantage of the features that Curo offers, from software innovation and product design through development, quality assurance, and regular updates. We assemble a dedicated implementation team to work with each new client. We migrate your data, we set up integrations and data feeds, we train and support your staff, and once you're up and running, well, we consider that to be the beginning of the journey, and your account manager will target improvements for you, and understanding your needs will help us to improve too. All of the energy of all of those people is focused on and seeks to add value to the vision of one company, Microsoft. From the startup of our business, we committed to build on Microsoft's technology, and the value we add is in making their technology relevant to financial advisors, the industry in which we've both worked since the early 1980s. In the last financial year alone, Microsoft invested over $27 billion in development, and our own cause is to take the fullest advantage of the technology revolution that Microsoft is funding and to empower you and your colleagues as a result. Now, I deliberately use the words technology revolution because that's what we are at the beginnings of right now. Technology is changing and change is happening at pace. Just a decade ago, we built Curo on Microsoft Dynamics and we hosted that on our own servers on-premise. As we grew, so we moved our hosting to Microsoft Azure for resilience and scalability, underpinning our fully managed service. But what we began to find is that Microsoft were delivering much of their innovation through something new, something they called the Power Platform. Given our cause to make the best of Microsoft's technology for our clients, our challenge over the past 3 years has been to rewrite Curo from an on-premise based application to a Power Platform based application to take the fullest advantage of its features and its emerging capabilities. I won't dwell too much on what Power Platform is because we want to get into the software and we want to demonstrate it to you in the following videos. But to understand its value, imagine if all your client data were held in one secure place, if it could be shared with all of the applications your colleagues work in every day, and if the overall mass of all of your data, your communications, and your knowledge could be exposed to the power of AI. Power Platform has so many features and so many benefits: data security, governance, centralized administration, etc. But what we're most interested in right now is Dataverse. Dataverse provides your one truth. Dataverse provides your single source of securely stored data. And via the software applications that Power Platform provides, you can analyze and you can automate. Each of the software applications are world leading. Power Apps allows your staff to work with your data on phones, on tablets, on PCs, Macs, in Outlook, in Teams, in Excel. Power BI analyzes your vast data and gives you information in return. Power Automate is a workflow engine which can automate work. It can issue and respond to communications, it can update data and people, all in compliance with your own rules. Power Pages lets you share data and documents outside of your organization to support collaboration, whilst Power Virtual Agents can intelligently respond to customer inquiries and can work with Power Automate to make sure things get done and nothing gets forgotten. These are the tools that Microsoft makes available, but let's start our journey with Power Apps. Why? Because Curo on Power Platform is a Power App, one that we've built specifically for advice businesses, one that supports your client engagement from the very first touch, be it an email, a personal referral from an existing client, or maybe a website lead, one that manages your propositions and your promises, that makes it clear what everyone needs to do via easily personalized dashboards, one that uses workflow and automation to apply your processes, that securely stores client fact-find information, objectives, attitudes, plans and concerns, vulnerabilities, needs and wants, one that integrates with providers and platforms, automatically updating valuations and reconciling your income, and one that provides beautiful reports in your voice. And to where we began, one that integrates with the tools that Microsoft is investing in, the ones you already use every day, such as Outlook, Teams, Word, and Excel, and the ones will enable you to get value from, such as Power BI, Power Automate, and of course, Microsoft's Copilot. Microsoft's AI engine will revolutionize the efficiency of work with AI-driven insights that it would take hours to find otherwise. It will consume vast quantities of data to summarize for you, to draft for you, to highlight issues and opportunities for you. Now, some of that is still to come, but please browse through our video series to understand exactly what's available now, and then let's follow up with a personal discussion and a tailored demonstration.